Got a 2020 Honda Pilot. Gonna show you how to replace the batteries in your remote.
First thing you're gonna wanna do with your remote is remove the emergency key out of the bottom of the remote. You have a button right here on the back of it that you're gonna slide to the right, and the emergency key will come right out. Now you're gonna need a flathead screwdriver for this part. We're gonna turn it with the buttons facing down. Get a flathead screwdriver, a small one preferably, and I like to stick this in here like this, and I pry these two pieces apart. Okay, see how it kind of popped and clicked, and then you can go ahead and remove that. And you want to hold on to the remote like this, because when you take this thing apart, all the buttons get really loose and they can fall right out of the remote. So you're going to want to hold it like this and get your flathead screwdriver. You can just pop the battery right out, get the new battery, and here's our new battery. Battery size is CR 2032. I'm gonna leave a link down in the description box for some batteries if you need to buy some batteries. They just take you to Amazon. Notice that on the front of this it has a positive sign that will be facing outwards. We're gonna just pop it right in there like so, and put the back cover back on, and it just pops right back on. Then we get the emergency key, slide it in, and we're all done. Well, I hope the video was helpful, and it was. I appreciate it if you liked and subscribed.